Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, November the 6th, 2023. Told you earlier, there are no extra puzzles or an additional in today's newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. Thursday, November the 2nd, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the ladder Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in that they call it cipher block. And this one you are interested, the Two Stars Sudoku. Two Stars Sudoku number, this will be number 7402. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 32 printed digits. Wow. Cannot be a 2 stars because a 2 stars puzzle has 26 printed digits. This one has 4 printed digits more. So I think this one should be a 0 star. And for a 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 or 14 minutes. 14 or 15 minutes. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the 8 in this row? 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 8 should be there. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 and a 7 in this big square, so no 5 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 1. No 9 there. 9 should be here. Almost make a mistake, and 1 goes there. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left with 5. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left with 5 should be here. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number in the last column is number 4. I cannot place the 4 here because we have 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. You see another 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the row below. So no 4 there. So the only place left with 4 in the last column should be here. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And then 1, 2, 7. Okay. Then 3, 3. How about the 9 here, and I need 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this row should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Well. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1 and 2. 3 is missing and 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1 and the 2 is missing. 1, 1. Okay, then 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, middle row, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, here or there. We see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Okay. So in this big square, we need a 1, 6, need a 3 here. Yeah, 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. Only place level 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left here. Okay. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 there. And I need a 3 here. Okay. Yeah. 4, 2, 4, 8. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for should be here. Okay, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 in this column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between second column, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column. I believe the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Yeah, I need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Okay. Then these 3 missing numbers are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4 and 5 is missing. 3, 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. Okay. So the other pair, the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, and a 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. These 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 2 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers? 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 6, okay. Here are 2 missing numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8. Well, a lot of pairs here. Come on. Where's the opening? How about these 3 missing numbers? 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. Yeah. Oh, 2 missing numbers here in this column. 2 and a 7. Yeah. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 2 and a 7. Now we have a pair here. That means 1 digit left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 2 or a 6. This box. We have a 6 here, so this box will be 2. So 1 box left in this column for number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. Yeah, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and 8. We have a 2 now in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. Here 2, 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 3, 5. So I need an 8 here. I need an 8 here. Okay. Let me think. 1, 2, 2 and 7. So this box should be 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. 2 and a 7. 2 and 7. 1, 6. 1, 7. 2, 7. Well, we need a 2 here. Here can be a 2. We have a 2. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. Overlooked. 2 or 7. We have a 2 now in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 3 and a 5. Need to wait. 6 and a 8. 2 and a 5. These 3 boxes should be 2, 3 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 here, so this box should be a 3. So the 2 and a 5 are left. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 or 5, we have a 5 in this row, so this box should be a 3. 3, 3, 3. Okay, 6, 8. We have a 6 here. Overlook this 6. This box should be 6. This box should be an 8. Final 2 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, and an 8. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, could be faster, but we saw it again. We saw it again. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the last puzzle for today. Until then, bye-bye for now.